Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and post a workout selfie on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do is go and choose the team that we want to be a part of. In the bottom right corner, by clicking on the team section, you can choose whose team's workouts you want to follow. So here you have your filters, filter out the team that suits you best, go ahead and choose them, and from here we can go to the main workout page and get started following the workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to post a workout selfie. You can post a workout selfie by completing your daily workouts and sharing the photo to your team's wall or your personal feed. So you can go and start any of the workouts right here. They're going to enable you to go ahead and get started with following anything that is offered to you, and as you can see, you need a special premium plan that you need to buy and purchase to be able to follow the workouts. So once you've done that and you get started with the workouts, you're going to have your journal as well in the upper right corner and your team's chat right here. So once you complete the workout, you're going to have the option to send a workout selfie directly into the chats right here or post it on your feed and your journal for other people to see, and you can see other people's as well, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.